Today we will solve some problems from your Magic Math book, chapter number 4, fraction. We have already done so many problems on fraction in the previous standard 3, 4 also. And what are the main topics of this chapter? Show the diagrammatic figure of particular fraction, conversion of fraction from improper to mixed, mixed to improper, change into decimal, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and lastly simplification. But apart from this, there have also some word problems. So today we will solve some addition and subtraction. Okay. In standard 2, you are started from the like fraction, but now in standard 5, 6, 7, in these standards there have unlike fractions. So unlike fractions contain different denominators. At first, everybody open your copy and write. Suppose at first addition, I am giving an example. Suppose this is a problem. Okay. 11 by 15, 17 by 30, 3 divided by 5. You know that these are all unlike fractions because their denominators are different value. So it is not possible to say that what will be their sum. So you have to follow some procedure, some method, step by step. What is the process? Step number 1. At first you have to find out the LCM of the denominator. So find out the LCM of the denominator to the right side. Just to the right side. 5, 15 and 30. Now 5 is the common. So 5 1 jar, 5 3 jar, 5 6 jar. Next, again by 3. 3 1 jar, 3 1 jar, 3 2 jar. So what will be the LCM? 5 3 jar, 15 2 jar, 30. 30 is their LCM. Second step, right here the LCM under a line. Right here the LCM under the line. This is the second step. Next, coming to the next step. Coming to the next step, the LCM will be divided by the denominator. Third step, LCM will be divided by the denominators. So 30 division divided by 15. 2 will be multiplied to the numerator. 2 will be multiplied to the numerator. So 2 into 11, that means 22 plus. Same in all cases. Same. Divide by denominator. So 1 will be multiplied to the numerator. Then 5 6 are 6 into 3 18. This is the third step. Step 4, add 8 and 7 15 to 17. 1 1 1 2 1 3 to the 5 by 30. What kind of fraction is this? Improper fraction. So it should be changed into mixed fraction, or if you keep it. Okay. If you convert into mixed fraction, so 13 1 are 13, 27 remainder by 1. So this is the answer. And also you can reduce it. Also you can reduce this. 3 19 are 23, 57. 3 10 are 30. So 3 19 are 3 10 are. That means 1 and 19 by 10. That means also it is also remains the improper fraction. Okay. So this should not be done. You keep it as a mixed fraction. 57 divided by 30. That means 3 19 jar, 3 10 jar. Next 19 divided by 10. That means 1 and 9 by 10. Understand? So this is the procedure to find out the sum of unlike fractions. Next, come to the problem number 2, subtraction. Subtraction always be done between two fractions. Okay? Subtraction can be done between two fractions. Suppose same process, at first find the LCM of the denominator. Five fives are 5 6 are 5 5s are 25, 25 into 6, that means 150. What is the LCM? 150. Now write here the LCM. Then same, divide the LCM by the denominator. 6 25s are 150, so 6 into 19, 6 114. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Minus 5 17 5s are 85. Then subtract 5 to 14, 9 1 8 1 9, 9 to 11, 2 divided by 100. So this is the same procedure. There was added and there is subtracted. Okay. So this is one type. Another type of addition and subtraction may be, suppose this is also addition. Suppose there have a whole number. There have a whole number. Then what would you do the problems? You will think that 5 means 5 divided by 1. Then find the LCM. 30 into 1, that means 30. 1 30 is 30, 35 is 150, minus 30 into 1 is 30, 111. That means 139 divided by 30. Okay. Okay, not addition. It is addition. 161 by 30. you can directly solve it. It is the another procedure. You can directly solve when you will find that there have a whole number and a fraction. What is the process? Just listen, watch. Suppose 5 is a whole number. 5 is a whole number and you have to add direct. You have to multiply 5 into 30, 115, 150 and 150 plus 11 divided by 30. 161 by 30. You can do directly. That means 5 plus 11 by 30 means it can be written as 5 and 11 by 30. Understand? This is a whole number is added. That means 5 plus 11 by 30. It means 5 and 11 by 30. Okay, so this is the process. Okay, so in this way you will solve the other problems. Okay.